How to use the pulse vac function on the Avid Armor A100 Gen 2 vacuum sealer. Avid Armor A100 comes with the pulse vac feature that allows you to manually control the vacuum, which works really well when you're vacuum sealing delicate items or liquid rich items. So it allows you to manually control the vacuum so you get the proper level of vacuum without crushing an item or without sucking up liquids into the sealer. So for this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and vacuum seal this fresh sourdough bread. Now, we want to store this in the freezer long term, but if we use the regular vacuum seal function, that's going to try to withdraw all the air out of that bread, and it's literally going to crush it. So we're going to use the pulse vac function to manually control that vacuum and put the seal on it, the heat seal on it, once we reach the level of vacuum that we want. So go ahead and place your bag, the opening in the vacuum channel, just like you would any other bag. Then we're going to go ahead and put it into the pulse vac mode. And then when we're ready, we're going to press the pulse vac button and press down on the lid at the same time. That's going to draw that vacuum down. And then we can manually release and press the vacuum to control the vacuum until we get it to that desired level. So here we go. Takes a little bit more vacuum time on this bigger bag. So you see we can manually control that, and then once we get it just to the level that we want, then we're going to go ahead and press that seal button. Once it's finished, we'll go ahead and remove it, check that seal. Now you can see that we've done a good job of vacuuming it. So it's got a decent vacuum on it, but it hasn't completely crushed it. And now this is ready for freezer storage.